One of the most beautiful ladies' watches we sell here at SwissWatchExpo is the Rolex Lady Datejust. Absolutely gorgeous. This is a modern version that is a 28 millimeter case with the larger case lugs and the bracelets that have the really nice, robust, machined clasp versus the old ones that were stamped from a flat piece of steel. These are a big upgrade. It's a much more robust feeling watch, very heavy, and definitely feels like quality when you slide it on. These are really interesting in that the diamond dials are, the diamonds are set in these star-shaped mountings. These are Rolex original factory diamonds. We don't do anything aftermarket at SwissWatchExpo. The diamond bezel on the one on the left is also original to the Rolex factory. These are chocolate brown dials with the pave filled 9. And you can see the one on the right, it's a rose gold President with the President bracelet. The one on the left, it's going to be the Datejust steel and rose gold combination. Beautiful.